before this video starts, I'm just gonna run down what happened in this video and kind of what we were trying to do with the Beamer before we kind of led to where it's gonna happen in this video. Let's just kind of run down what we tried to do with the BMW. So first, before we bought this new engine, what you're gonna see in this video, we decided to try and do the head gasket. We were doing good. We found a couple flaws with the BMW. Let's just say. First, we found a massive hole in the floor. Roll that clip.
Nope. Yep, that was the floor. Yeah. Okay, don't do that. You gotta be careful with the floor.
Like my foot, I'm about to drag it on the floor.
After we decided we found a hole in the floor, we decided, well, let's have a couple drinks. So we had a couple drinks.
Peach is the best, huh?
Jesus. Now we're just working hard over here. So like, now what?
And then, you know, after that, we decided we might as well get back to work and get this head gasket done so we can go drifting. Well, that didn't happen. The boys and I decided to have a couple more drinks. Roll that clip.
Ah, just another day at the office. This might be all the things good for is a pizza fucking holder.
But then, after that, well, let's just say me and the exhaust tip kind of became more than friends.
Holy fuck! Look at that!
The exhaust tip just went up loud.
Did you see how far that went?
We decided to try and get the BMW done before winter's over. And unfortunately, we did not. But now, a really good deal on an engine. So we decided to go pick that up. That's what you're going to be seeing in this video here. We decided to go pick up a new engine for the BMW and have two. In this video, pretty much you're going to see us just pull the BMW engine and kind of just start the BMW build. Just wanted to recap you guys, and oh yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a pretty big day. We are buying a new engine for the Beamer, so we figured it was just easier this way. That's what we're doing. So today we're gonna go pick up it's just the stock engine that comes in the BMW, and we're gonna go pick it up from this guy that I messaged on Facebook. So yeah, let's get into it. Getting it.
Yeah, I guess if we don't hook it, I guess we just push, I guess. Oh, something's leaking.
Oh, cool.
There's still coolant in it. Yeah, it has a lot of coolant in it somehow.
A few moments later.
Well, thank you, man.
No worries.
Thanks for the help.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries.
Alright guys, so it is now a couple days later than when we picked up the engine, but here is the new engine that we decided we're going to be putting in the BMW instead. So Nolan is here and he's going to help us pull.
Beverages for you.
Oh, he's got the goods.
Put what you'd like in the fridge, it's piss warm.
Ah, just the way I like it, bud. But we're going to be pulling this engine today. Now, we are starting a little bit late, 6:40 at night, but hopefully the plan for today is to get the old engine out just so we can get ready for the new engine. Now there is some pieces missing off of this, that like the starter and everything like that, so we're just gonna take this off our engine here. But like I said, we're probably gonna start off by taking off the front here so we can really get at this engine so we can pull it easily. So honestly, there's not gonna be too many clips. We're just gonna kind of throw you on the time lapse and really just start diving into this. Because we were going to replace the head gasket like I said, but we decided not to. So now we're just going to get into pulling this engine, and I'll pick up the camera if we run into something or just anything cool happens. I'll pick up the camera, but yeah, let's just get right at it.
we get that disconnected?
Yeah, it's just not for the hole yet. There you go.
Punch it in.
Dude, this is gonna be an easy pull.
Alright guys, so we got the front end off as you guys saw. I don't know if we've really even shown this. I don't know if we really even picked up the camera during the day. Nolan just got something off.
Oh, she's just falling apart as we speak.
Alright guys, so we got the front end off. It is just over there. There's the front clip. There's the crash bar there. And then obviously there's the new engine. Nolan and I and Josh, mainly Nolan, are right now disconnecting the bell housing bolts to get that off. And then we're ideally just gonna be able to hook the chain around and pull this thing off once it's disconnected from the two motor mounts, which is right there, and then parallel on that side. And then the bell housing bolts. So yeah, let's get into it.
Also, it is now 8:19. Little update. Honestly, we did stop for food, but we are making pretty good progress. Also, we have a special guest star over here. The real Mr. Cameraman.
Mr. Cameraman's here.
Where's those are your working clothes?
Working
Got your
Lightning
steel toes?
McQueen.
Repping McQueen.
Mr. Parker,
Ciao.
your hands are looking a little clean.
That's official.
What's going on, bud?
I think you forgot to take a bolt out. Oh. Oh. I grabbed your neck, bro.
You grab my dick.
Hey, I actually hate that exhaust even more than you do. I got that up the ass, Nolan. Watch out, Nolan. Holy.
There's been times we didn't know I was
disrupt it a little bit, then it should be able to just slide off. There we go. Alright. Bring her out.
And then we should be good. I got it.
Jeez. It's just...
Want me to go jack it up again?
It's gonna be on the subframe again, I think. How do you want to do it? Now it's sitting like
Maybe I have something here.
Here, if I can kind of lift up the
Maybe. Can you grab that? At the back.
I'm trying to. Okay, there's something in the motor grab. Oh wait, fuck. I ain't doing that. Hold up.
Okay, hold
this
up.
wire.
Yeah, it's catching a wire. Oh, dang.
Oh, this whole thing.
Dude, engine is out.
Yeah, boys.
There.
We done did it. I've never done this, so I'm kind of hyped right now.
Yeah. To Mike, this is normal.
Small subframe. That is a small subframe.
Alright guys, so we got the old engine out. It is the next day. We almost got it done the other night, but honestly, we just kind of got a little too late on us, and today we did get it out. Our buddy came to help us, and we got it out today. So for today's mission, we're just gonna pull it on out. We're probably gonna clean the engine bay up. We're not gonna paint it, we're just gonna clean it out, get all the dust and shit out of it. But here is the old engine. Like I said last night, we did decide to pull the engine and transmission all in one, just to kind of make it easier on us to get it out. But honestly, it wasn't too bad. But yeah guys, like I said, that is it. Honestly goes to show us that for a first time engine pull, we can actually do it, and this kind of gives us hope for what we can actually do for the Subaru. And we have some big plans now, especially that we know we can do it on the drift car, but we obviously, this is our main priority, is getting the new one in and ready to go to the drift event, because there actually was one this weekend, but we missed it. But hopefully now that we have the old one out, we can get the new one in. But yeah. Hold on a second. Yeah, it's good. It's just flopping. Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. As you guys can see, we have the old engine and the new engine. Thanks to our two buddies, Michael and Nolan. They really helped us out so much. We started it the other night and we finished today. We only worked for about 2 hours today. Michael helped us out and we got it completely out, the transmission and the engine. And we only took about, I guess you could say, probably a good solid 5 hours, 6 hours the other day. But yeah, big plans coming to the BMW very soon. Hopefully we can get it ready for Shannonville. That is the end goal. There was one, like I said, this weekend, but we missed that one. So hopefully next weekend the car is all ready to go, the engine's in, and see go from there about the BMW. But yeah, thanks you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to follow us on any of our social medias, it's sboys_TV, and we'll see you guys in our next video.
Be my only one, be my 101, you're my only one.